So I've dropped my wedding ring. I don't know how I'm going to get in here, but I'm going to try. There it is, right there, look. I don't know if I'm skinny enough to do this, but I'm going to give it a go. Oh dear. Oh shit. Easy, look. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, now my bag's stuck, I'm stuck.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to climb a small hill, and today's video pretty much is all about conquering fears of heights, conquering fears of wild monkeys, conquering fitness issues, and conquering age issues. Today we're going to conquer them all.
Did you ever work as a window cleaner? I didn't either, but you
I used to be scared of heights, honest.
Really?
Until about 5 years ago, yeah.
How did you get over that?
Just by going up heights, yeah.
Atta boy.
Yeah.
It's the way to do it, mate.
Just one day I just thought it don't really scare me much anymore, yeah.
The car is safely parked in the monkey-proof car park, which is free, by the way. You can see it because it's got bright yellow walls around it. There's no roof. There's nothing stopping the monkeys climbing over, but for some reason they don't. Please let me know why. Do they not like yellow, or...
If you're not a fan of wild monkeys, it's probably best to stay home. Proper fight going on here. Look, 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 they're jumping all over the place. Just missed it. Thought they were going to try and take me out. Well, the big guy ain't scared of you two, is he? But looks like he might be a bit of a bully. I knew a couple of those at school, but they always got dealt with eventually by someone. Jai Yen Yen. Ling, Jai Yen Yen. It's hotter than the devil's armpit, and here I am dodging thousands and thousands of wild monkeys in a bid to climb right to the top of there. Why? It's my mate's birthday, and that's what he wants to do for his 60th birthday, and if he can do it at 60, I guarantee you I can do it at 50. Hi ho!
Yeah, it was. Yeah,
a band of warriors starts the climb.
I never heard it. No. Oh right. Yeah.
I'm no longer the youngest though.
It was in perfect condition because people only ever played it.
Got a 68-year-old, a 60-year-old, a 50-year-old, and I'm not sure how old is Bob. Bob from Bulgaria. I'm not sure how old he is. So we've got 3 Englishmen and a Bulgarian. Let's go.
In the red corner, hailing from Liverpool, England, UK, although he's lived most of his life in Australia, now residing in Pattaya, Thailand, is Eamonn. Eamonn is 68 years of age. He's the oldest of the group today, so I guess he's conquering fears of age. In the white corner is Karl, aka Karl's Thailand. I'm sure you've seen him before conquering many of these hills, but would you believe that only a short while ago Karl was actually scared of heights? He has conquered his fears, and he will do it again today. In the yellow corner we have Bob, the Bulgarian tap dancer. I don't know too much about Bob. He's the youngest of our crew today, and I'm not sure what he's trying to conquer. Let's see if he does it anyway. Finally, last but very not least, in the blue corner is Jim of JB Wanders, and today he will be conquering issues of fat, fear of being unfit and sitting on the sofa for the last few months. And that's about it really. Not scared of the monkeys, I'm not scared of the ladders, I'm scared of myself. Let's go.
This is the very first ascent of stairs.
The bottom of the stairs now. This
I'm not going to show you all of this. This goes on forever.
How was the journey here, Bob, from
Some people choose to go out to bars for their birthday. Some people are sitting in their rocking chair with a pipe and slippers at 50. This guy's decided to climb a mountain. Cheers. All bare feet. Brave lady.
Cheers.
Brave lady. Well, you made it.
I mean, you did a good job.
Fantastic.
Didn't think I would. I think I would fail. Halfway through. In Thailand, or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Good luck to you as well. And well done, you conquered it.
I want to have the SD card so I can record it.
And here's the start of the ascent, where we go all George Formby. When I'm cleaning windows, got my head cam on ready, and I summon the spirit of Fred Dibnar. Bye there down, huh? Huh? Okay, hello.
Hello.
Chậm đi Karl.
Thank you.
Karl. How you doing, Eamonn?
Not bad.
And a boy. See, they make us English pretty strong. And Bulgarians by the look of it as well. You're right, Bob. And a boy. Here he comes, 40 years a roofer. And you can see why, look.
Yeah, but I used to get paid for going up ladders.
Yeah.
No one's giving me nothing here. Okay, Bob, if you... Oh, you're still recording, well done.
How's that bit, Karl?
That's it.
In your element there, mate.
Yeah.
Did you ever work as a window cleaner? I didn't either, but you
You know, I used to be scared of heights, honest.
Really?
I'm telling you, about 5 years ago, yeah.
How did you get over that?
Just by going up heights, yeah.
Had a boy.
Yeah.
It's the way to do it, mate.
Just one day I just thought it don't really scare me much anymore, yeah. I won't say I'm immune. If I was up a rickety ladder with a tall building, yeah, I don't think I'd like that, but...
I tell you what, it's difficult to believe. If you've seen him at places like Wat Khao Nor and places like that, that's a pretty big thing to overcome there. Yeah, my mate said to me, come for a little walk. Hey. Hang on, I have to have a rest here for a minute. Fuck me, it's hot here.
Looks like you've cut a bit of that rock away to get this up, haven't you?
I sat in the wrong spot here.
Hot.
Yeah. Oh mate, I need to get out of the sun, I feel a bit dizzy. Hang on. Put this in here. Oh. Oh yeah, this is nuts. Right. We get in the shade a minute. Jesus wept. Almost there. Got that final little push to do, and Jesus, it's so hot. I feel very, very dehydrated. So rather than be here and push on, I'm just going to wait here for 5 minutes. Going to have some water before I get up to the peak, and I'll show you the marvellous views. I'm not even going to stand up, but these are the views this side, look, or some of them. I'll show you those properly in just a minute. Final push. Oh, I've just lost my wedding ring. My wedding ring. I can see it though. Shit.
Would you be able to get it?
No. Possibly, I'll go in a minute. Just ripped it off my finger. Right. I'm going to film in a minute, mate. I want at least 20 minutes up here, at least.
I'm going to say with this, you're going down to the sun.
It's almost ripped my finger off.
Yeah, I'll get that all on me iPhone.
I'm here. Set the dogs off in the next valley. Mission accomplished.
I suppose I've got to do it with my birthday, ain't I?
Of course you do. Thought I'd come for a little walk this weekend. Just climbed up Khao Nor. I've rested at the top for about 20 minutes, just about getting my energy back. And yeah, I'll show you the way down and a few bits. My mate might be putting his drone up a minute, I don't know, but pretty much the money shot down there though, I think.
Just a few more satellites, it's only got 9.
Well, if you want to know whether the monkeys get to the peaks or not, there's one shaking that tree over there. It was just a minute ago.
Yeah, they get territorial, I think that's alright, tell you, fuck off.
Yeah.
Right, watch this drone, hopefully it's going to go up.
Sorry, there's no drone footage for you today. I don't have a drone, but I have a subscriber that has promised to get me a drone and batteries if and when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, just hit the button. It costs absolutely nothing. You're obligated to nothing. It's completely free. Hit the button, hit the bell, and watch some more videos. Cheers.
Let's show you a little look around here. You can really see how flat it is over here on the Central Plains as well. You have Nakhon Sawan not too far away, Utai Thani 50 k's in the other direction, and apart from the odd hill or mountain like this that pops up, it's just flat all the way across. How did you find getting up here, mate? Easy?
Yeah, it wasn't as difficult as I thought.
Well, I'll tell you what, mate. How old are you?
68.
It's pretty impressive, isn't it, mate?
Well,
Life in the old dog yet, isn't there?
well, that's it.
Absolutely, mate. All good, Bob?
Hello.
Fine getting up here, yeah?
Yeah, it was a little bit tough, but very satisfying.
Not tough for a young Bulgarian man, mate. Quite easy, I think. No problem. It's worth it for the view, I think, isn't it? BE 2523. I don't remember what year that is. Do you know what? I was going to film here, I was going to tell you a big story and everything when I got up the top here with this great view in the background, but now I'm up here, I don't feel inclined to do that. I was going to interview Karl as well, but now I'm up here. I'm used so much energy getting up here. I feel quite right just lying here. I've just had a little nap up here, and I'm just going to soak in the atmosphere, and I'm going to get a few good shots, and that'll be it really. That'll be enough for the video. I don't really need to tell some mad story. If you watch it, you watch it. If you don't, you don't. Here comes the drone. Look. So you can see here the concrete over the top, but you can see the old bits, like this red brickwork that any of you have been to a Uti or Sukhothai, somewhere like that, you're going to be quite familiar with. But this is the probably three to 500 years old, all this sort of stuff. And then you can see the concrete on the top. Look, you can see the original structure here and the brickwork there, and then you've got the concrete and stuff and the mortar over the top that they did years and years later. Look. Now it's time for the descent. Look, might as well go down forwards. That's how you get down the ladder, surely. Here it is, my ring just here, down here. I've got to try and get through the ladder. So I've dropped my wedding ring. I don't know how I'm going to get in here, but I'm going to try. There it is, right there, look. I don't know if I'm skinny enough to do this, but I'm going to give it a go. Oh dear. Oh shit. Easy, look. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, now my bag's stuck, I'm stuck. Mission accomplished. I've got it, by God. Hopefully those little brown bastards aren't on the stairs, but we shall see. Little brown bastards. Oh fuck, just slipped. Just like to take this opportunity now to say thank you to one of my subscribers, Bruce Wayne, who has actually funded this trip. It was Karl's birthday, he sent some money on Buy Me a Coffee. I've used that money to fund this trip. So you, Bruce, are responsible for me being at the top of this mountain, playing silly buggers, hanging off ladders. Right, down we go. Oh. You might recognise this bit from a Paddy Doyle video. Oh, I like this bit. Ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Dun 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 dun. Woo hoo! Dun 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 dun. Yee-haw! I've got my second wind. Full of energy now. Body cup. Somebody make up. Dee. Oh, get out. Let's have a look. Nah, it's alright, this bit. Big dog coming down. Body cup. Up. Oh, ผมแก่แล้วนะโอ้ย50 ปีนะ
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Oh my Buddha.
Do that.
Yeah, go on.
Come down.
เย็บหัวอย่างนี้
Go on.
กูเร็วดิกูน
กูเร็วเขาจะลงเร็วเขาจะลง
เร็วไม่จริง โชคดีนะ Right then. Gonna go down this double steep one now. And this sorts out the men from the boys. I love that bit. Right then. Last ladder. I don't want to speak too soon, but easy peasy. That's it. That's it. Ladder's done. Mission accomplished. Right. Let's find a nice quiet place to have a wee. And hopefully the monkeys haven't arrived on the steps yet, but if they have, so be it. I am the Monkey King. Should be my last little rest, about halfway down the stairs. Just seen the first monkeys down there, but there's only a few. Little brown pests. Let's go and meet them. There's a big one up there, and they're all around now, so might as well just plough through. This is where you got to be a bit brave. And that, my friends, is how you do it. I try not to get too much eye contact and I just walk straight through. They get out of the way eventually. See the back on there, and then they'll do the same for Karl now, look. They are everywhere. They're in the bushes all around me, over my head, behind me. They're everywhere. So it helps to be a little ape-like. Well, that's the first mountain conquered in about a year. And you know what? I feel all right. I know I look like a bit of a Burke with this on my head, but hopefully that's giving you some real good footage. Size of it, but that's a tough one. Look, he's had a fight, look, with his nose and everything, look. Huge bollocks as well. And that's over there, look, is where they come and dump all the food from pickup trucks. It's a way of making merit, as we're also at the site of a temple, so people come here and feed the monkeys. Hadi Krap. Hadi Krap. This is the spot where thousands of bats come out of the cave, so I'm probably going to have to switch to my phone. Watch this. That's where one lot's coming out of, and look, it's the other lot up there. Oh, there's even more now. And all these people are here to see the bats. Look, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coaches just came in just to see the bats. Don't know where they've been or where they're on the way to, but I'll put a close-up soon of those bats. But there's literally millions and millions. Look, there's 2 rows, one coming out of that cave up there, and one coming out of a lower cave there. But there are millions, look. Right, that, my friends, was Khao Nor. Almost forgot my name there. My legs are wobbly. I feel like jelly. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, but I do feel a great sense of achievement. And we're down. We're through the monkeys. I summon the spirit of Fred Dibner. I remember my days on the window cleaning round with George Formby. It's all good. If you did enjoy that video, consider watching another one, subscribing, liking, sharing and all that sort of stuff. Now until the next video, have a lovely time.